What if skipping one fall task meant a burst pipe this winter? Don't let that be you. Here's your 50-second guide to protecting your home, starting at the top. First, your roof and gutters. Clear out all those leaves and debris. A quick visual check for missing or cracked shingles can save you from major leaks. If you see damage, call a pro. Inside, feel for drafts around windows and doors. A little weather stripping goes a long way to cut heating bills. And don't forget to insulate any exposed pipes in your basement or crawl space to prevent them from freezing. Finally, your heating system. Replace that filter and test your furnace before you need it. A professional tune-up is always a smart investment. Clean gutters, seal drafts, and check your heat. That's it. Do this now and you'll enter winter with peace of mind. Like and subscribe for more home tips.